What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable GZIP compression for your WordPress site using cPanel. If your website feels slow or takes longer than it should to load, enabling GZIP compression is one of the simplest performance improvements that you can make. GZIP works by compressing your website files before they're sent to a visitor's browser, which reduces file size and speeds up page load times. The best part is that you can turn this on directly from cPanel with just a few clicks. And this is another advantage of hosting with RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting. With built-in optimization tools, you can improve your site's performance without touching any code or installing any plugins. If you're not hosting with us yet, check us out at RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make WordPress optimization simple and reliable. Now quickly, before we get started, I will mention that this method works for WordPress and non-WordPress sites alike. Today, we will focus specifically on enabling it on your WordPress site through cPanel's optimized website tool. All right, let's move into the steps. Start by logging into your cPanel account. Once you're on the main dashboard, scroll down until you find the software section and click on Optimize Website. When the Optimize Website page opens, you'll see a few compression options. To enable GZIP compression for your site, select the option that allows compression for all content. This tells the server to compress HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other supported file types before sending them to the visitors. After selecting the compression option, click Update Settings to save your changes. That is all you need to do. There is no additional configuration required. Once the settings are saved, GZIP compression is now active. You can confirm this by refreshing your website in the browser or using an online compression test tool to verify that files are being served in a compressed format. Your site should now load faster, especially for visitors on slower connections or mobile devices. And that's it. You've successfully enabled GZIP compression for your WordPress site using cPanel. This small change makes a noticeable difference in page load times and overall performance. And it's yet another great example of how RackNerd's cPanel hosting gives you easy access to performance optimization tools without adding any extra complexity. With features like Optimized Website built right in, improving your site speed only takes a minute. If you're looking for fast and reliable hosting with cPanel access, head over to RackNerd.com. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more clear step-by-step WordPress guides just like this one. All right, that wraps things up for me today. I will catch you again in the next video.